Happy Saturday. I wanted to do a quick, this is for beginners and a bunch of you trad archers that haven't worked on your form. But let's just say beginners. You don't need to focus as much on your point and your aim as you do your form. And by form, let's just go over the physics for a second, right? So we're pulling this out. This is where the force of the bow is, right? And as we get to full draw, the reaction of the bow is a lot faster than you can react physically. Therefore, when you pull out like this, and if you release, and if you release and your bow is going this way, that means that you're doing that, not the physics. You are doing that, and that's impacting your shot. You're actually relaxing faster than the arrow is leaving your bow. You're relaxing before you actually take the shot, because the natural thing is for the bow to go across your body, because you're opening it up. All the pressure's like that, and if you release and you keep that tension, it's going to break this way, not this way. If it's breaking away from your face so you can see the arrow, you're doing that to peak so you can watch the arrow flight, and you're relaxing before you release the arrow, which causes your arrows to go right of the target, because you're relaxing, boom, before you release, and that little movement throws your arrows right at the target. So that's one thing. The second thing is, if you're missing, and don't worry, that tension, for it to break this way, your arrow's gone before if you keep the tension and it breaks, boom, that way, that arrow is gone before it breaks. Trust me, it's going way faster than the physics of it breaking that way. So that's not what creates a left. It's not the breaking of your shot, of the bow crossing your field of sight, that causes you to shoot left. The physics of that's not the case. That arrow's gone. What causes you to shoot left is the plucking over here. It's when you pluck like this, you're pulling it away from your face. It's like the rear side of your gun. You're moving it just a little bit, and that's causing the arrow to go bing like that. I mean, that's essentially the physics of it. Is your a little pluck is moving to that, and so it shoots left. So that's your left and right. The right is you're actually relaxing. You see all these trad archers try to do this static shot or hold their bow, and most of them, most beginner bow, you go like this because you're so excited to see the shot. But no, to do that, the physics of that, for the bow to break this way, you're actually relaxing before you let go. And that little movement is like somebody tapping the end of your gun right before you shoot, and it throws it off. So that's the physics. And then the left is you're plucking out here. And the way you prevent that is you keep your hand to your face. Watch any Olympic archer. Drives me nuts. Watch any Olympic archer. You can see how they drag their hand along their face. Well, that's what you need to do here. You need to drag it along your face to the back of your head. Boom. And that holds it from plucking out. Okay. And there you go. Hope you have a great Saturday.